Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna cook some chicken back and white rice. It's been a long time I don't eat chicken back, so yeah, I'm gonna cook some chicken back. So this is the chicken back here. So I'm gonna wash it off with some vinegar and put some seasoning on it, and then boil it. So I'm gonna wash it off out, clean it up. And you know what? I like what I'm doing, so yeah, clean it up. Put on the fat in on it. Clean it up properly. You know what chicken back, you say I have to clean it up properly. Alright, so clean up the chicken back. This is all the fat. I'm going to show you all the fat them when we get off of it. This is all of the fat them when we get off, so I'm going to show you this. Some people fry the fat them and get oil, but I don't want the fat them, so I'm going to show them why. Not too much fat, so I'm going to show them why. And never rinse it off again. Okay, so I finish rinsing it off, so this is what it look like. So I'm going to put some seasoning on it. I'm going to put some onion, garlic, pimento, purple onion, okay, I put some browning on it and Maggi seasoning, chicken seasoning, and we have all purpose. I have one big scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to rub it in, rub in the seasoning. I'm going to put some pimento. Some pimentos. Use some cooking oil. So you all wash your rice now. Some pumpkin. So I changed my mind from cooking white rice. I'm gonna use some pumpkin in the rice, coconut milk. The chicken back smell good. Smell good after you see? Smell nice. Smell so good. Come season it up good enough. Smell so nice. Smell so yummy. So we wash the rice. So we're gonna set it. Pepper. Pepper hot in our pot. So we wash the rice, so we're gonna set it aside. And we're gonna peel off the skin off of the pumpkin. I'm not like the skin in it. I think when you cook it in the rice, it's better you peel off the skin. So I'm gonna peel it off like this. I'm gonna cut out the middle. I don't want all of that peeling. So I'm gonna peel it off. Oops. I'm gonna cut it up in some dice. So I'm gonna end up cook season rice. So that's how it look like. So I'm gonna cut it up in some dice. So I'm gonna cut it up. Cut it up. So I'm finished cutting them up now. That's how they look like. So I'm go wait for the coconut juice. Because I'm going to blend the coconut to me. So waiting on the coconut juice and I'm going to stick it outside. Wash the rice already. I'm going to wash it aside. And I'm going to season up the pumpkin. And I'm going to season up the pumpkin also. Add whatever I must add to it and the coconut juice. So I look at this, skeleton and time cooking it, but I have really and party make this up. I just have pepper me have. I'm going to put some pimento. Put some pimento. And season it up to my liking. I put some pimento.